Hi, welcome back to Hostpark CH channel, and also back to the Python series. If you are a beginner, these are very useful for you. Today we are going to see some of the simple programs on Python that come under the category of problem solving, and as well as the practical session of how to execute the program in the Python 3.8 ideally like that. The programs are to learn the simple programs like today. How to find the simple interest, how to calculate the simple interest, and area of the circle, and then even or odd numbers, and Fibonacci series up to nth term, and last display the calendar of the given month and year based on the model concept. We go to the program step by step. First one, the simple interest. So as you know, simple interest means the formula is P into T into R by 100. The first two programs by default we are going to assign the value. Another three, the user can input the value while running the program and also change the values. So first to calculate the simple interest formula, so we can give the program directly in the Python script. I can write P is equal to give the value 10,000 like that, and R I am giving 0.8 interest, and T is equal to number of years 5 years. And the SI formula I am applying P into R into T by 100, then print simple interest comma SI. So if you execute this program, you can get the answer of simple interest. So here I already typed the program. I'm going to open and execute due to time save. The D colon have all the programs. So I want to see the output of SI. So I saved the program si.py. So this is a program. So whenever you want, you can change the values here and again run. So I already told how to run the program. So just I click the run. So to the answer here. See simple interest 400 like that. So whenever you want, you can change it. Now we go to the next program. Better I will explain the program, then go for execution. The next program, area of circle. So as you know, previous session I explained what is function, how to introduction function, how to use the function, and give an example also. So we are going to find the area of circle with the help of find area function. So I can give define space find area of R, then PI constant value I am giving 3.14, then return. I am going to use a return function PI, that is PI multiplies in the bracket into R into, because R square we can't give directly, so I am giving R into R, that means R multiplies R. Then I am going to driver method, means what, calling the function. So I am going to give the print area is percentage 0.6 percentage find area of 5. Why I am giving is to get the decimal float point and float and decimal value properly. I am giving like that. So I am giving find area 5, that is that means the R value I am giving by default 5. So if you want, you can go through and change the program by normal manner, that is n is equal to input the number like that. So this is a way of using the function find area and calculate the area of circle. Then we come to the third program, how to find even or odd number in the given program. So we can give some number, you can give some input and find whether the input is a even number or odd number. So simple program, you can write the Python script like this: num is equal to int of input of entire number. Then we can you know the logic already. We are studying the C language or some other logic. So if we give the condition, if number divided by 2 is equal to 0, then print 0 is even, and it will print 0 is even dot format of number. Then if the number is divided by 2, that is if number divided by 2 and remainder is 0, that is even number. Else the condition false means it come to the else statement and print by default odd format of number. By default it print the odd number. So suppose if you give 6, it will print even number, and if you give 5, it will print odd number. Then come to the next program, very easy. So display the Fibonacci sequence up to the nth term. So we are the user, we are going to enter the sum of the nth series. Suppose for example, if you give 5, it will generate up to the 5th one, and if you go 10th up to 10th, it will generate the Fibonacci series. So we know the logic, so I am going to apply the specify the logic here. That is I is number is equal to int of input of, please enter the range number. Then I am giving I is equal to 0. Then I am going to assign first value is equal to 0, for second value is equal to 1. Then I am going to use a while. There are a lot of methods to do the Fibonacci series. I am going to use only the while condition. So I am giving here while I less than number, what will happen. Then to check the condition, then if I less than equal to 1, then it go next equal to I statement and continuously else. So if the condition is false, so what happen, if condition is false means if I is the I value is less than equal to 1, and if you go to the next loop I, or else it come to the next loop, that is our program. That is else if condition first equal to next equal to first value plus second value, then first value is equal to second value, then second value to next, so on, and print up next, and finally it complete with the increment operator I is equal to I plus 1. So here what will happen, you know, Fibonacci series means start from 0 and also 0 and another and 1 and again like this only 0 plus 1 and second first time plus second time and second time plus third time and again third time plus fourth time, so on logic. So without changing logic you can apply this logic and finally you can generate the Fibonacci series. Then come to the next one. So it's a program where you can see display the calendar of the given month. The previous class I told about what is model and how to use the mathematical model, everything. So for the, if you want to print the calendar details, you can just import the calendar model. So first step is import calendar default. Then you can give, you want to print year and month, so you can give yy is equal to int of input enter year and int input of enter month and print. Finally you can use the print statement calendar dot month of yy comma that only we declared here. So like that you can print the any calendar and month of any month of the any calendar. So just let's go to the execution now, execution part. So just now I told regarding SI simple interest, we go to the another program. Now go to the next one. D colon where I am going to see the this area of now we go to the area of circle program and execute. So we have just used the find area number and I am default giving the PA. I already know PA constant is 3.14 and I am going to run the program now and I am going to give, I already in the through the function I am give the variable R value is 5. So you can run and check the output here. So area of circle is 78.5500 like that, because we mentioned float decimal there. So this is a way of executing circle program and we go to the next one. It is even or number. So small program, just we are working if number divided by is equal to 0, condition true, it will print even or else print odd number. So just I am pressing the number 12, it show the even. So like that you can again run and give another, if you give 5 or 7 it is a even number. Then go to next program. File, open again. Then another Fibonacci series. So this I told we are using one of the while loop, while I less than number and if check if I less than equal to 1 next equal to I, or else it go to the else part and continue the logic and you can run the program and check whether generating or not. So I am going to give the number just 7. Let's check it. Yeah, it displays the number up to 7 nth number. It displayed the program successfully displayed the Fibonacci series. And last one, calendar. So calendar was based on the model concept. So just I already saved the programs cal.py. I just open here. So you can enter any year and any month. So I am going to execute now. So I am going to year of 2022, and I want check the month of April. Just I am giving press 4, so display. So like that you can execute the simple program. Try to execute the simple program, and under the concept of problem solving. And thank you for watching this video. Please update and subscribe for more updates.